Hi, welcome back to Mr. Chemistry. This is Redox reaction, oxidation, reduction, and basic solution. Problem number 3. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our chemical equation here and break it into two half reactions. So let's go ahead and do that. S2O4 negative yields SO3 negative. And then our second reaction, of course, is going to be CuNH3 4 2 plus yields Cu plus NH3. Alright, so we've done that. The next thing we want to do is we're going to balance every element that's not an oxygen or hydrogen. And so we're going to balance the sulfur there. Our coppers are balanced there, so everything looks good. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to balance our oxygens. Well, we have a total of 6 oxygens on this side and 4 oxygens on that side. Because we've got 2 times 3 makes 6, so we're going to have to put 2 H2Os here. So that is taken care of. Now, let's look at the second half reaction down there. We have to put in 4 in front of here to take care of that. We also have to put 4 hydrogens over here to balance out our hydrogens on our first half reactions. So that's looking pretty good. Okay, now we want to change things by adding our electrons. So our S2, right? This has to be a +3 charge because this is a -2 for oxygen. That would give me a -8, and this would give me a 6, so 6 minus 8 is -2. Over here to get this -2, again, oxygen's a -2, that would give me -6. So S would have to be, of course, a +4. 4 minus 6 is -2. All right, so let's clean this up a bit so that it looks a little bit nicer to see. All right, so now we're going to go from a +3 to a +4, right? So we're going to lose an electron and oxidize. We're losing 1 electron, but however, notice that that's a 2 there, right? Well, since that's a 2 there, we have to multiply this by 2. So actually we're losing 2 electrons. On the other hand, we have NH3 here, which is a -1 charge here. This gives copper a +6 to get an overall charge of +2 -2. Let's give us a -4, which will give us a +2 charge. Okay, so let's go over here and erase that, of course. But we're looking at our NH3s. Let's see here. So our NH3s here are 0, right? So we're going to have to gain 2 electrons here. Gain electrons, reduce. All right, so that takes care of that. Now the next question we have to ask ourselves is, since these are both 2 electrons, we're going to just add electrons to both sides. So this is gaining 2 electrons, so we're going to put the electrons here. And this side is losing electrons, so we're going to put the electrons there. All right, now, to kind of clean this up a little bit, to make it a lot easier to see, we're going to go ahead and cancel our electrons out. Now, this makes it a lot easier when we're going to combine the equations. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to combine these equations, okay? So what we have so far is this. We have 2 H2O plus S2O4 2 minus plus CuNH3 4 plus 2 yields 2SO3 plus 4 hydrogens plus Cu plus 4NH3. Okay, so that's what we have. Now, what we're going to do is this. We're going to add OH to both sides of the equation as many as there are total of hydrogens. So let's see here. So what we've got is on this side, we have 4 hydrogens for the water. So we're going to add 4 hydrogens. Let's see here. To this. 4 OHs is what I'm saying. And we're going to add 4 OHs to that side there. So now what this is going to do, recombine this, is going to be 4 OH negative plus 2H2O plus S2O4 2 minus plus CuNH3 4 plus 2 yields 2SO3. Now you see this 4H and this 4OH, we're going to combine that to make that water. So it gives you 4H2O plus Cu plus 4NH3. All right, now, what's the purpose of that? So we can get rid of our waters on the left side. So watch this. That's going to cancel that, and that's going to change that to 2. All right? So our final combination is going to look like this. And then we're going to be done with this problem. It is going to be 4OH negative plus S2O4 2 minus plus CuNH3 4 2 plus 2SO3, and this is supposed to be a 2 minus. I don't know, I just left those off by accident. 2 minus plus 2H2O plus Cu plus 4NH3, and that's our final answer. I know this was a bit difficult, kind of hard to follow, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, give us a like and consider subscribing so we can grow this channel. You guys be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Moosing Chemistry!